Edwards, you were charged with having loud music coming from your motor vehicle. Yeah, you have two choices. You can either come back and have a trial on this matter, or you can pay a fine of $100 today. What do you want to do?
Trial.
I beg your pardon?
Trial.
You want a trial, okay.
You guys don't solve them today?
November 12th, Your Honor?
Can I get a later date than that? I'm not from Providence, from Texas.
I beg your pardon, sir?
I'm not from Providence, I'm from Texas. I flew up here actually to take care of the matter. I thought you guys took care of the matter on the same day.
Well, the car's registered in Springfield, Massachusetts.
Right,
But you're from Texas.
right.
Why is the car registered in Springfield?
So I used to live in Springfield.
Okay.
I recently moved down to Texas.
Mm-hmm.
And when the officer gave me the ticket, I didn't accept it, so they mailed it to the registration, the address on the registration.
According to the report that I have before me, evidently you had the large speakers in the rear of the motor vehicle. Is that correct?
No,
That's not correct.
no.
Well, that's why you come back and have a trial.
And it was downtown, next to the clubs. I mean, at 1:30 in the morning.
I'm going to have you, well, that makes it all the more egregious that it was, this was at,
At the clubs, I mean, how can you distinguish my music from 3 clubs next to each other?
hold on for a minute. What time did you say this was?
Probably 1:30 in the morning.
Take a look at that. The summons reads noontime.
Yes, the summons reads noon in the afternoon, not at night.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Edwards, today, the purpose of today's hearing is an arraignment. The full purpose of it is for you to either plead guilty or not guilty, and then come back and have the court make a decision based on the merits of the case. I'm going to take into consideration the fact that you are from out of town.
Appreciate it.
You appreciate that. All right. Evidently, the officer who issued the citation made 2 mistakes on the citation. One was that the officer indicated that the time was 12:05, and that would be 12 minutes, that'd be 5 minutes past noontime.
Oh, no.
The other is that the officer wrote the wrong citation under the ordinance, all right? Section 16-92 of the ordinances of the City of Providence is the definition section. It's not the section that concerns itself with the penalties for loud music. So in the ordinary course of business, usually, we don't accept guilty pleas at this point unless we find somebody.
Right.
But I'm going to take into consideration that if we force you to come back, I would end up dismissing it anyway because the summons is incomplete. You would never know that because you don't know the law.
Right.
And I'm not going to charge you legal fees on my behalf as well. Since I now have acted as your lawyer, now I'm going to act as the judge and find you not guilty.
I appreciate it.
Based on a faulty summons, the matter is dismissed.
Right. You have a good morning.